So first job need for the people those who are looking as a security engineer. So it requires 2 to 5 years experience. This is a mail ID where you can drop your resume, and associate T2 analyst activities is something what they are looking for, right? Couple of things which is actually uh, related to the job links, whatever I've said, I just shared with you, right? So just check out all those things and accordingly you can. Now, next job link as a security associate security engineer. It's in Noida. Okay, so those who are freshers, by freshers को join कर लो, 6 month का experience चाहिए, 1 साल का, and if you have skills about web application pen testing, mobile application pen testing, API testing and all, you can apply. Drop your resume at career@kartika.com. Okay, so that accordingly you might get selected. Selection, yeah, that's well and good. Just let me know, and I can send goodies to you, chocolate to you, whatever you want. Just get selected. Next opening is basically in Hack Secure. Hack Secure. Okay, so these are a couple of things they are looking for. Cybersecurity internship. It is 12 को last date है, 12th of February, and apply before that. This is the QR. Check out this QRL and you might get some more information how to apply and all those things. They want someone who are familiar with the tools project related to cybersecurity and the basics things. This is the mail ID and contact number. Whatever info you want, you can reach out to them. Now the next opening is basically someone is hiring for CCI certified professional. So if you have completed this certificate, this job opening is for you. It's in Andheri East, network admin the role. Up to 25 lakhs they can pay you. Okay, but it depends on the skills, whatever you have. If you have good skills, then they can pay you a little bit more as well. OrientIndia.net, Sugandha Hande is the mail ID, Sugandha Hande at OrientIndia.net, and this is the WhatsApp number. If you want to ask any query or something, then just apply accordingly. Next is in Hackit once again. Okay, this is mail ID careers@hackit.in. 2 से 5 साल का एक्सपीरियंस चाहिए, सिक्योरिटी एनालिस्ट, रेड टीमर जॉब, दिल्ली, मुंबई, wherever you want you can join. It's more into C2 server or something related. Active Directory knowledge is important. Okay, enumeration, all those things is something they are looking for, right? So it's more into like it's a security analyst, red team work. Okay, so you should have a good idea how to apply from the front face of a company. Black box testing. If you're good into black box testing, then you can apply. 2 to 5 years of experience is required.